Good day, dear children.
But before starting a lesson, there is one activity for you which will have to perform at your home.
Make small hill of mud and stones. Set some stone into the hill on pour water. Over the hill on lie from watering can like rain, you will notice that water flows in the downward direction is in it. Water flows faster on steeper slopes. Now gentler slopes, water flows comparatively slowly. When the stone causes an obstruction, you can see that water changes the direction and flows rapidly in outward direction. Direction of a flow changes when there is an operational. Now stop water pouring the hill on. You can see the changes. You can observe it and tell me.
You will realize that some rainwater flows away over the ground. Some water seeps into the ground. All the water we get comes from the rain. The rainy season lasts from 3 to 4 months. Along with us, all living things use this water all year round. If we do not store water, we not have enough water for our need. That is why we have to save water. Water must be used economically. In these lessons, we will see different ways of storing water. Old water stores. Several methods of storing water were used in olden days. Now it is rarely used. However, their animals can be seen in all places. Some of them are very beautiful. Water in some these stores never gets depleted. Students, we will see different types of water stores. First one is wells. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. Wells are dug to obtain this water. Usually wells are mostly seen in villages. The next one is water tanks in forts. Water tanks in forts. People lived on the hill forts in the past. They also need water. The fort had reservoirs and tanks dug into the store. Next one is draw wells. Draw wells is also called as art. In the past, draw wells were dug to get drinking water. They were small wells from which water was drawn using a small pores tied to a rope. Due to tap water system, it went out of use. Next one is the rivers and bunds. Earthen and Missouri bunds were built across river to store their water. Next one is old reservoirs. Reservoirs were built in areas of low rainfall or in areas without a major river. Most of the reservoirs were built using stone and mortar. Next one is old tanks.